Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV fault codes using Car Scanner Pro. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your vehicle is parked in a safe location. Download and install the Car Scanner Pro app from your device's app store. Open the app after installation is complete. Connect your smartphone to your vehicle's OBD2 port using a Bluetooth adapter. Turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. In the Car Scanner Pro app, tap on the Connect button. Select your Bluetooth adapter from the list of available devices. Once connected, navigate to the Diagnostics tab within the app. Choose the option for Read Fault Codes to initiate the scan. Wait for the app to communicate with your vehicle's control systems. Review the displayed fault codes carefully. Tap on each fault code for more detailed information. Note any definitions or descriptions provided to understand the issues. If needed, take screenshots of the codes for future reference. To clear the fault codes, return to the Diagnostics menu. Select the option to erase fault codes if you wish to reset them. Confirm the action when prompted by the app. Reconnect and recheck the codes after erasing them to ensure the issue is resolved. Lastly, consult a professional mechanic if any persistent faults remain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.